welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be all about the basics, how I set up and use my So Simple sewing machine, and if you're interested, then you've come to the right place. The machine comes with an adapter and a foot pedal which should be plugged at the back of the machine, and in case you're gonna bring it somewhere or there's no electricity, you can use 4 AA batteries. The sewing machine already came with a needle, and since it is nearly 4 years old, I've had my fair share of bent and broken needles. If ever you need to replace the needle, hold it with one hand and loosen the screw with your other hand. Then, get your new needle and insert it with the flat side facing away from you, then tighten the screw to fix it in place. Make sure your bobbin has enough thread first before threading your machine to save time from undoing the threading process. Then get your spool and thread it through here and insert it through one of the holes, then push the bobbin winder to the right. Turn the hand wheel towards you a few times, then cut the excess thread and then step on the foot pedal or use the switch to thread it automatically. When the bobbin has enough thread, you can then put it inside the machine, and the manual states that the thread should be in a clockwise direction. It is quite easy to get the hang of threading the machine, especially if you have already been doing this for a couple of times. And also, the machine has directions on how the machine should be threaded. Since my spool pin broke a year ago, I'm just using a jar to hold the thread. The sewing machine comes with a multi-purpose foot, but if you are going to use a different one, first raise the needle by turning the hand wheel towards you, lift the presser foot, and then remove the presser foot using this lever. Then, place your new presser foot and align it with a clamp, then lower the presser foot lifter and it will snap on. I have bought an 11-piece presser foot set, and if you want to see a video about it, I will have it coming out soon. I wish I have bought the one with 12, but this has a variety of straight stitches, zigzag stitches, a blind hem, and this one which I don't know what it's for. I'm gonna use this scrap canvas fabric to show you how these stitches look. This is the part where we are going to talk about the tension dial. You can see that the stitches on the right side and the wrong side are different. When the stitching is not the same from the right and wrong side, it is better to know if the upper thread is too tight or too loose and then adjust the tension accordingly. Just remember that a higher number means a higher tension. If you want to learn more or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Thank you for watching this video. Later!